Hi, welcome to airdrop spot and welcome to Initia Testnet phase 2 week 4. This video is coming in quite late. I'm very sorry. In order not to waste our time, I'm just going to cut to the chase and go straight into the task that gave me VIP score, because I did other interactions where I did not get any score at the end of the day, so I wouldn't want to waste our time with the entire details. The task that worked for me is liquid staking via Milky Way. So I'll tap on Milky Way here to get to their website. Now, to liquid stake on Milky Way, you need init on Milky Way. I have init that I can use in my balance at the moment, but for the purpose of those who may not have, this is how you get init on Milky Way. You are going to tap on bridge, and you are going to bridge some init from Initia over to Milky Way. So indicate the amount of init that you would like to bridge from your initial balance, then tap on bridge init to Milky Way. You are then going to approve the interaction in your wallet. Bridging successful. Now, when the funds you have bridged over to Milky Way arrives in your wallet, you will then be able to stake your init on Milky Way, and when you stake it, you are going to receive Milky init in return, which you can also use to perform other interactions. So I want to specify the amount of init on Milky Way that I want to stake. Then I'll tap on the stake button. I'll then approve and confirm this in my wallet. Liquid staking successful. I'll go back to Initia. I am back on Initia website, and what I'll do next is to tap on the sidebar menu by the right. I'll then tap on stake. I'll then choose the asset that I would like to stake. I want to go for Milky init and init pair. I am going to tap on that drop down at the top. I'll then change the liquidity token to Milky init and init pair. I'll then specify the amount of Milky init and init that I want to add to the liquidity pool. Remember that when we liquid staked on Milky Way just now, we got Milky init. I'll tap on next. And here I can either choose to stake with this validator, or I can tap on that drop down and then choose any other validator of my choice, but I'll just go with what is already on my screen. I'll then confirm this transaction in my wallet. Transaction successful. So far, we have completed liquid staking on Milky Way, and we also staked Milky init on Initia. So it took about 12 hours for me to be able to get a score on my interaction. So I came back 12 hours later, and I tapped on quest 1, claim init from VIP position, to claim my staking rewards. Here is my score and my expected reward for my interactions with Milky Way. So I am going to tap on my position to claim my rewards. Now there are two options, claim all or zap all. I will go for zap all because that is like completing the 2 quests with 1 button. And when you tap on zap all, it is as if you want to claim your reward and also stake your reward. Where will you zap your ES init? I am going to choose the Milky init and ES init pair. Next, I am to choose the validator I want to stake my rewards with. I can either go for this option on my screen, or I can tap on that drop down and then make use of any other validator of my choice. I'll go for the option on my screen. I'll tap on next and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'll return to Initia. The 2 quests have been verified. I will then tap on the claim button to claim my sticker. I'll confirm this interaction in my wallet. Claim successful, and we just completed the Initia Testnet Phase 2 Week 4 tasks. If you have any question, you can drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. If you have found value in any of my content, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.